Last year, our family went on an autumn holiday in the northern part of Sweden. We planned to do the same type of trip this year. That didn't quite work out as planned. It didn't start out so bad. We made a trip to a nearby waterfall. I got some beautiful shots of the partly frozen waterfall. We were hoping to go back to the even bigger waterfall from last year's trip. There was a small trail leading to above the waterfall, and I think there could be a lot of exciting places to discover there. But later that day it started snowing. A lot. The autumn holiday quickly turned into a winter adventure instead. We decided to head up to Sälfjället mountain for some winter experience. Well, as you can see, it's quite wintry up here. This was supposed to be an autumn holiday, but as it turned out, it became a winter holiday instead. So today we're doing a bit of family adventure up here. We took a lift up to Sälfjället and we're walking to Stensjön, the rock lake. Okay, so the others are stopping for a bit of hot chocolate and coffee, but I thought I would go a bit further to see if I can get some nice views. But I have to make sure I don't get lost in the mist. So I'm going to follow these trail markings. So we're going back now. Everyone is cold, including me, but especially the dog. She's not really equipped for this type of weather. So I'm making my way back now, but it's kind of hard because there's very deep snow in some places. Another 4 or 5 inches of snow tonight, so just have to remove it so we can get our car out. We took another trip back to the waterfall, and as you can see, it's a totally different look now with all the snow, and I am enjoying this so much. I very rarely get to capture real winter landscapes like this, so I'm just gonna see if I can get some more really nice shots of this waterfall. Well, I made my way up the waterfall, but it's way too slippery and steep for me to dare to take my camera and tripod. It's too much snow here anyway to get some really nice photos, so I'm just gonna be satisfied with climbing up here and filming a bit. So I think I'm gonna go make my way down again, hopefully without breaking any legs. So wish me luck. Okay, so I was trying to reach a small creek that I visited last year that had some really nice parts with rocks and the running water, so I wanted to see it now with all the snow, but there was no place where I could park the car. If I had tried, I would have gotten stuck in all the deep snow, so now I'm trying to find my way to this creek on foot, starting at the cabin we rented, and try to make my way there, and hopefully it will be equally nice here a bit further downstream. Walking around in this winter landscape by the creek, it was hard to believe that I was just a few hundred meters from nearby houses. It felt like I was deep in the wilderness. So this was a really nice photo trip, but now it's time to go back to the cabin, and in a while we will go for some waffles and coffee. So thank you for following me here on this little photo vlog, and I'll see you next time.